Hi there, my name is Jen, and I wanted to tell you a little bit about this class that I'm running. It's called Printmaking Without a Press, and it's essentially an introduction to gel printing. Now, if you are someone who is maybe intimidated by painting or doesn't know where to start with your art journal or collage material, this class is for you. It's an easy way to get going with making colorful, vibrant images in a way that's not intimidating at all. So essentially what we'd be doing is we'd be using a gel plate, which is something like this. So it's like a gelatin squishy plate. And we'll be using acrylic paints and different tools like brayers, etc. to move the paint around and to come up with some really cool, fun, vibrant artworks. So what will be covered is we will start with the basics. So I'm going to start by explaining what the tools are, how to use them, how to clean them, that sort of thing. We will talk about using stamps and stencils. So I also have some free downloads for templates for that, which is super fun. We'll talk about color and transparency and how to layer things together to get results that you're actually happy with. We'll talk about approaches to printmaking. So there's a couple different ways you can do this. You can either layer up prints by pulling one after the other and deciding what goes where, or you can actually build your whole image right on your plate and then pull it off, but I'll talk about more about that later. And I'll also talk about things like troubleshooting. So if you're having troubles with your gel prints and things aren't working as you plan, then we'll figure out what's going on and how to fix that. This is a technique that can create a lot of different kinds of textures and images that maybe you can't get with a paintbrush. So that's super cool. So I'm really excited about that. I'm really excited about sharing this with you. So I really hope that you will join me. If you're interested, you can find the sign up link down below. Thanks for watching. Bye. Oh, I almost forgot to tell you about the bonuses. So we'll be doing a live Q&A call, so I'll schedule that and you can ask me questions directly so we can talk about, you know, what's working, what's not working. You can show me things. I can show you things if you feel like there's things that are missing. Well, there'll also be an online Facebook group so you can share your work. You can talk with other people in the class. That'll be tons of fun. I'm really hoping we can get some good discussions going there, but also, you know, make some new friendships and that sort of thing as well. There's also stencil files, stencil downloads. I'm going to have a bunch of things that you can download, and you can either, you know, print them on your photocopier or your printer, cut them out, make your own stencils, or if you have a cutting machine like a Silhouette or Cricut machine, I'll have the SVG files in that, so you can make your own stencils. Super cool, super fun. I'm so excited. So, hope to see you there. If you're interested, you can find the sign up link down below. Thanks for watching. Bye.